Hello everybody, my name is Robert Wilson and welcome to a warm and sunny T.C.Harrison JCB. Over the years we have seen many changes at JCB. We have certainly grown over the years too, and hopefully so has the service and support we offer throughout our network of depots. Our customers and the various applications in which their machines work demand increasing levels of support, and the waste and recycling industries are good examples of that. Today I would like to show you just a few examples of how T.C. Harrison, with the help of JCB, has embraced change in order to offer our customers the improved service and support that they have requested from us. Come inside and let's take a look around. As the JCB product range has grown over the years to today's figure of over 350 models, clearly the parts complexity has increased too. Our commitment to our customers is to support the fast-moving lines for each machine, and these number 4,200 lines in their own right, and an approximate value of £275,000. Of course, we are directly supported by the JCB World Parts Centre here in the UK, which houses 160,000 individual lines with a total stock value of over £26 million. For other regions of the world, JCB have additional regional parts locations in France, Spain, Russia, United Arab Emirates, Singapore and the States, with another £10 million plus of parts stock.
As the JCB product range has grown, so has the sophistication of the product too. At T.C. Harrison we have 36 service engineers, and each engineer will typically undertake 80 hours of factory training each year. We have invested in modern, fully equipped service vehicles in order to offer a mobile support to the JCB customer in the field. Diagnostic equipment is another investment we make too. This equipment literally talks to the machine, and the machine can inform the service engineer of its recent history in terms of warning lights, failures, recorded temperatures and such like. And new technologies such as JCB LiveLink help us to improve this service support further.
JCB LiveLink is a satellite telematics product that is fitted to a wide range of machines in the UK as standard. LiveLink monitors the key parameters of a machine's operation, such as temperatures, pressures and flows. Because LiveLink is a satellite link product, it offers global positioning so that any machine can be located anywhere in the country, either by the customer or the dealer. Curfews or geofences can also be added, so that a machine can be restricted from operating between certain hours or only allowed to work within a nominated area. Any attempt to operate a machine outside of these hours or area will send an alert message to the owner of the machine. LiveLink can also measure and report on requested parameters. For example, hours of operation, hours of actual use or idle time, and fuel consumption. And if anything falls outside of the set tolerance, then an alert warning is automatically sent to the machine owner or LiveLink manager.
T.C. Harrison service on this weekend?
We regularly use LiveLink data in order to plan our daily service support. Every morning we have an alert report check, and these alerts fall into 3 different categories: green for low priority, amber for medium and red for high priority. All of our support vehicles are fitted with GPS tracking devices, so we can locate any of the available service vehicles to the machines requiring service, and job completion is automatically updated to the LiveLink centre. There's less travel time, reduced costs and most importantly, a more effective and efficient support for the customer.
Hi, you've 53595 Loadall, that's showing overdue a service. Are we alright to get that booked in for you?
We or the customer can see how many hours the machine has completed at any point in time. Therefore, if a machine is coming up to its 2,000 hour service, the customer or we can highlight this fact and then plan the scheduled service accordingly, resulting in better time management for both the customer and us. Breakdowns will be highlighted as a red alert, and the nearest service vehicle can be allocated from the GPS system fitted to each vehicle. The JCB LiveLink system is fully supported by the team back at JCB World Parts Centre, where the team continually monitor LiveLink alerts from around the country.
Well, all of that support is fine if the machine breakdown or service is within our normal working hours. But what happens if a machine has a problem outside of these hours? At one time, we were basically a 9 to 5, 5-day-a-week operation, but we've had to change our business practice to suit the demands and expectations of our customer. The waste industry is a good example of this. Many waste customers operate 1, 2, and even 3 shift operations, and machines can be working up to 20 hours per day. At T.C.Harrison, and similar with JCB dealers around the world, we operate weekend coverage and also an out-of-hours emergency service support. We offer this service via a 24/7 messaging bureau which operates on an escalating system. Let's take a look at how this system works.
T.C.Harrison JCB out-of-hours service. Do you require parts or service?
Service, please.
Can I take a few details, please? I'll get one of our engineers to call you as soon as possible. Thank you.
Hello?
Yes, this is T.C.Harrison JCB out-of-hours service, and I've got an urgent call out for you.
Right.
It's a JS 160. It's a WRG in the Sheffield depot.
But let's say the call centre could not get a response from the on-call engineer. This is when the escalation system comes into operation. If there is no reply from any of the on-call engineers, the call centre will call the service manager, and if there is no response from him, then they will call me. Another significant change to our operation is the way we communicate to our customers, but also with JCB. We have over 8,000 contact details on our database, and a database is key to any company's communication in today's environment. Our website is clearly our first form of communication. On the website, you will find a host of information from new and used equipment, our news and details of offers and events such as the VIP Waste Day today. Clearly, not every customer comes onto our website, and from time to time we will need to inform them of various news, offers or campaigns that may be of interest. This could be by direct mail, or in this modern electronic age we now have alternative methods of communication to choose from. Text message campaigns, email communication, and of course the use of social network sites such as Twitter, Facebook and YouTube. But with all these electronic forms of communication, we should never forget the personal relationship between a customer and a T.C.Harrison representative. Recently, we have equipped all of our sales team with iPads. This may seem like a little bit of a gimmick, but let's see how one of our sales team, Dan Newcomb, uses his iPad for his and his customers' benefit.
When visiting customers, particularly in the waste and recycling industries, it's extremely important to conduct a good site survey before suggesting what machine may be suitable for a certain environment. Having established the required information, it may then be necessary to do a demonstration in order to prove the machine in the application. Often when I visit a particular site, the owner of the company either may not be present or may even work at another site. Providing I collect all the relevant data from the site survey and can record some of the demonstration on my camera, then when I sit down with the owner the following day, we can go through all of this on the iPad. I can even print off a site survey and demonstration report for him to consider following the meeting. Any detail or question regarding the machine can be answered by bringing up any of the JCB brochures, and we can even look at other machines in similar working environments around the world.
As our customers have been demanding, we support them in different ways, and the same customers have also been suggesting what they would like to see for future product development, and we regularly feed this information to JCB. The JCB Wastemaster range has been developed over the last few years almost in direct response to your feedback. Higher lift, more reach, more capacity, more efficient, improved protection, larger or smaller models, and so on. It certainly is an ever-changing world and marketplace, one that we believe we and the other JCB distributors in the UK and abroad can continually adapt and change to better serve and support.